We often hear the teaching that there is nothing to do, you already are that. And in a way, it's true. If there's any doing at all to be done, it's simply being. And as the attention rests continuously as I am, including and deepening into the sensations in the body, the dissolution of that sense of the separate self takes place in time and space. And it happens effortlessly. The greatest challenge often is that the mind so longs to hold on to something, to have something to do, have a target to reach. And it becomes uncomfortable with the unknown of simply being. It becomes bored, agitated. And we simply open up to that. Allow it, stay present, stay here, effortlessly allowing, simply being. And this fire of truth begins to burn in the heart. And it burns up in time all that is not real. And so there's a process that happens on the level of form, on the relative level. Transformation, healing, dissolution of the ego mind. And paradoxically, there's nothing to do in order for that transformation to take place. And that which we are doesn't transform at all. It's already here. It's simply unveiled. The light of consciousness shines on all that is unconscious, and the unconsciousness merges with the consciousness. The darkness turns into light, and as the light expands, the truth reveals itself. The truth of what you are. The mind wants to participate in this process. It has questions, it wants answers, it wants to become enlightened, seeks something, tries to reach the future point. But we must take our attention beyond the conceptual mind in order to discover this deeper truth. We must rest in beingness. The mind will never find peace, no matter how perfect the outer life circumstances become. There will always be a sense that something's missing, something's lacking. It's never enough. I always need more and more. It's only when we go beyond that mind and drop deeper into being that we open to this other dimension, this deeper dimension of eternal peace. The end of separation. And the communion with the divine.